Hello, children. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about plants. Plants are living things. They grow from seeds. We can find plants in many places. Plants grow in gardens, farms, forests, parks, school compounds around our homes. Plants have different parts. The main parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. Each part has an important job. Roots grow under the ground. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Without roots, plants cannot stand upright. The stem holds the plant upright. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. The stem supports leaves, flowers, and fruits. Leaves are usually green. Leaves help the plant make food using sunlight. Leaves also help plants breathe. Healthy leaves help plants grow strong. Flowers make plants beautiful. Many flowers later become fruits. Fruits contain seeds. The seeds can grow into new plants. There are different types of plants. Some are trees, some are shrubs, some are herbs, some are climbers, some are creepers. Each type of plant grows differently. Trees are big and strong plants. They have thick stems called trunks. Trees live for many years. Examples include mango trees, orange trees, and coconut trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many branches. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Examples of herbs include mint and basil. Climbers need support to grow upward. Examples are beans and grape plants. Creepers spread along the ground. Examples are pumpkins and watermelons. Plants need several things to grow. They need sunlight, water, air, soil, space. Without these things, plants cannot grow properly. Plants are very important. Plants give us food. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Plants provide shade. Plants give animals shelter. Plants help keep the environment clean and beautiful. Many foods come from plants. We get apples, mangoes, oranges, rice, beans, vegetables. We should take good care of plants. We can. Water them regularly. Remove weeds. Protect them from damage. Plant new trees and flowers. Plants often begin as seeds. A seed is planted in the soil. With water, sunlight, and care, the seed begins to grow. Soon, a young plant appears. Over time, it becomes a healthy plant. Let's review what we learned. Plants are living things. Plants need water, air, sunlight, and soil. Plants have roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Plants give us food, oxygen, and shade. Plants are important to people, animals, and the environment. Today, we learned about plants. Plants are living things that help make our world beautiful and healthy. We should love plants, care for them, and protect them. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.